Guys, thank you very much for taking a read off the number here for you and show you on video. It's NE241258113. Okay, guys. Sort of hard to get the right angle there. Fully sealed box. Good luck to everybody. Let's hit something big. This jacked up. Alright, guys, there we go. I'm going to put this down a little bit lower. Here's your empty box for you guys. And good luck to everybody. Here we go. Pack number 1. We have a base card. Base card. Our first hit is a Young Guns update, Anthony Duclair. Nice hit to start off. We got a dummy card, base, and base. Yeah, the Rangers gave up a really good young prospect in Anthony Duclair. One thing, guys, at the end, I will go back and show you all the hits one more time. We have a base card, base, oh, Future Watch auto for the Calgary Flames, Corbin Knight. Corbin Knight, Future Watch auto. Nice, very nice for the Calgary Flames. All of them are numbered out of $9.99, I believe, correct? Okay, guys, here we go. We have base card. Sorry, get it up a little higher here for you. Base card. We have an Authentic Moments of Jaromir Jagr for Pittsburgh. Authentic Moments. Dummy card. Base. Oh no, sorry. Esposito for Chicago. And a base card. Chicago. Oh, the retro. Sorry, that's right. The retros. Okay, here we go. Next pack, we have a base card. We have a base card. We have a Future Watch for the Vancouver Canucks out of $9.99. It's Adam Clendening for Vancouver. Dummy. Base and base. Here we go. Next pack. We have base card, base card, base. Looks like a base pack. Oh no, we have a retro for the Montreal Canadiens of Guy Lafleur. And a base card. Next we have base, base, base. We have a retro of Tom Barrasso, Pittsburgh Penguins, and a base. Hey guys, we have a base card, base card. We have a retro Mr. Marty McSorley for the Kings. Not a bad hit. Base card and a base card. Okay, now we have a base, base, base. Oh, we have another Future Watch auto. Very nice. And it is Curtis Lazar for the Ottawa Senators out of $9.99. Very nice. Ottawa. Great hit. It was funny when I picked up this box tonight, I had a feeling about the Ottawa Senators. It's kind of funny to see that now. Now we have base, base, base. We have a Young Guns Mika Solomaki for the Nashville Predators. The update, very nice. know who had Ottawa. Alright, now we have base. We have base. Base. Oh, Future Watch for the Avalanche out of $9.99 of Bona Rednick, I believe. Some weird spelling there for the Colorado Avalanche. And base. Alright guys, we have ourselves a base card, base. We have an authentic moment of Nathan McKinnon. Colorado's not doing too bad here all of a sudden. And base. I say we're about halfway through, guys, not bad so far. And here we go, we have base, base, base. We have an authentic moments for the Dallas Stars of Seguin and Ben for Dallas and base. Oh, must be a hot pack. Must be a hot pack. Let's have a look here. We have a base card, base, base card, and a base. Oh, sorry, my mistake, guys. This one? Oh yeah. This is an update card. I missed it. Sorry, guys, for the Pittsburgh Penguins. Thanks to my buddy here. Picked it up real quick. Okay, guys. There we go. We have a base, base, base. We have for the Washington Capitals Future Watch of Phoenix Copley out of $9.99. That's for Washington. And there you go. Okay, there we go. We got a base. Base. We have a Future Watch for the Tampa Bay Lightning of Christopher Golovich out of $9.99. Tampa Bay. Nice hit. Oh, now we have for the Florida Panthers, Vincent Trocheck. Coming up. Okay, guys, we got 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 5 packs left. Let's hopefully we get it. It's a Premier's Prospects, guys, of the Trocheck. Sorry. Base, base, base. We have an Upper Deck update for the Winnipeg Jets of Drew Stafford. And like I said, guys, I like going through all the hits at the end one more time real quick just for a recap. We got a base, base. We have Modern Moments of Carey Price for the Montreal Canadiens. Price is a very hot card right now. Base, base. Alright guys, moving along, we have a base card for Boston. Base, base. We have for the Boston Bruins, we have Andy Moog. Authentic Moments. Oh no, sorry, retro, sorry. Yes, we have a base card, base, base. For the Edmonton Oilers, we have Mike Krushelnyski for Edmonton. Not a bad hit. Okay, guys, here we go. This is the big pack right here, guys. Good luck to everybody. This is a patch. We have a base card. We have a base card. Base card. Oh, wow. This is pretty nice, guys. We have for the San Jose Sharks Future Watch Limited out of 100 Matt Nieto for the San Jose Sharks. Congratulations. I'm not sure who has that, but that's a nice hit. Matt Nieto. Base and base. Right guys, real quick, I'll just run through all those one more time. So we have a hit for Edmonton, Boston, Montreal, Winnipeg, Florida, Tampa Bay, the Capitals, Penguins, Dallas. I think Dallas won this break. Avalanche. We got Nashville, Ottawa, the Kings. We got Pittsburgh, Montreal, Vancouver, Chicago, Pittsburgh, Calgary, and Phoenix. And the big hit, guys, congratulations once again, Matt Nieto out of 100. Thank you guys for taking part in the break. These will be shipped out first thing tomorrow morning, and positive feedback will be left right away. Hope to see you in future break, guys. Thank you.